Being able to easily hand launch and hand land a drone is crucial and something that is often overlooked. There are times, especially when out and about in the countryside, when launching and landing a drone from the ground isn't viable, and in these situations hand launching and landing comes into its own. Some drones are easy to hand launch and hand land than others, and whether a drone is easy or difficult to do this depends on a lot of factors. The Wingsland S6 drone is one of the easiest hand launching and landing drones I've ever used, and it works flawlessly every time. The only way to make the S6 take off is to use the auto takeoff feature, which involves pressing the relevant button once to get the process moving, and then pressing it again to confirm and start the propellers. When it comes to landing the S6, the only way of doing this is to use the auto land feature. To hand launch the S6 drone, you have to make sure the sensors on the bottom of the drone are close to your skin to fool it into thinking it is on the ground. If you hold the bottom of the S6, the auto takeoff won't engage. If you rest the S6 flat on the palm of your hand, the auto takeoff will engage. To hand land the Wingsland S6 drone, you have to make sure the sensors are close to your hand, otherwise the propellers won't shut down. If the drone isn't resting on your hand properly and the sensors are hanging over the edge, the propellers won't shut down either. To make the propellers close down, you have to make sure it is resting flat on your hand.